Hey, it's Joe Glines from Automator. Just a quick example of a couple programs we have that work with older Windows programs. If they have Win32 controls. So there's two of them here. They both write syntax and help you stuff. So this is the old menu syntax writer. Old menu meaning like the Win32 controls. If I drag this here, you'll see here are all the things that we can do. And I can actually hold down Control. And let's say I want to bring up the find. I can hold down Control, double click it, and it's going to pull up programmatically. It may feel like it's using the menus, but it's not. It's an actual API approach. So it would bring that up. And then I can, if I wanted to actually get that code, I can double click, and now on my system tray, I can post it here. This is the code that would trigger this in Notepad. So great way if you happen to have it. It works also like with Site. Here you can get a list of the things that you can do. So again, if I wanted to programmatically open, let's say the, let's see, what was I looking at earlier? So you can just go through the list. These are all, anything listed in this list, you can programmatically trigger. So let's say export as HTML. I'm actually going to double click that and see what it's going to do. It would try to save that file as HTML, right? So that is the old menu syntax writer. You drag anywhere in the program, and if it's not, like I'll drag it to something else, it's not a Win32 control, it'll say, hey, can't touch it. And you can change on here if you want V1 or V2 code. So that's the old menu syntax writer. The Win32 Control Syntax Writer, this is more when you have so it's not a menu item. These are the menus, right? These are the things that loops over that other tool. This tool, you drag it on a specific thing, and when you can see this highlighting, those are the things that you can automate. So let's say I wanted to automate checking the up box. So here it's actually warning you. There's the find would work, but there's actually two of those. I need to isolate it more. Oh, okay, now I just found one, which is great. Let's say I wanted to check it or select it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add here. This is the code you'd use, and I'm going to hit test. And it just programmatically clicked that. I can go back to our tool here. Move it out of the way a little. And this is the code, and if I need the include, so this uses a function library here. So this is the path to the library, and then this is the function we're calling. So we're programmatically triggering these things. If I want to set this text, so it already has new text. Let's say that is cool. And here are the different methods I can choose. I can get the text, I can add text. I'm going to set it. Oops. Really cool. Now I'm going to hit add. That's going to put it down here. Now when I hit test, it programmatically set that text there. So if you're fortunate enough to be able to automate older programs, let's say I want to click that find. Now with those two things, I'm going to hit add. I can hit test.
Inconceivable!
And it went and searched my file. I didn't have that anywhere. But yeah, it's a great API approach, meaning it's programmatic. We're not sending mouse clicks and keystrokes, right? So there's a lot of other things you can do. We added the most common ones that we use. There are other things you can do that are not in this list, but this gives us the majority of the ones that we use most of the time. So hope you enjoyed that. Check out those tools. Cheers.